Today we are in Undiri, Kikuyu, approximately 4 kilometers from Kikuyu Township and exactly 700 meters from the tarmac. Behind me is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom maisonette with a print area of 250 square meters. That translates to 2,690 square feet. The price of this mansion is 23 million Kenya shillings. And before we start the tour, I need to show you a few things. First, we have this area that can be used as a parking area. And as you can see, this can fit approximately 4 cars. On the other side, we have an extra space that can be used for extra parking, or it can be used as a kids play area. Next to it, you have your flower garden. Let's get inside. Just before you get into the foyer area, you have an extra flower garden. This is the grand entrance of the maisonette. And it is a double door that will allow you to get your things in with ease. From the entrance, I can see a few things. I can see the living area, I can see the dining area, and on my left hand side, I can see the kitchen. Let's start from the living area. This is a beautiful living area. And you have your burglar-proof windows that comes with an extra grill. Behind me, you have your TV area, and it's already set for you to fix your TV and other electronics. During the night, you are getting your light from this center light. You also have extra recess lights on the gypsum boards. The TV area also comes with several lights. Let me show you. You have your center light, you have your recess lights, and you have extra lights in the TV area. Next to me, you have the dining area. And this dining area is big enough for your family of 6 to 10 people. This dining area also comes with a hard wash basin. And you have an easy access to the living area and the kitchen. This dining area also comes with a very beautiful center light and a well-crafted gypsum ceiling. On my right hand side, you have the kitchen. Let's have a look. This kitchen comes with a soft close upward and downward cabinets. Just have a look. Very beautiful. The kitchen also comes with a dark granite countertop that blends very well with the whites in the kitchen. This kitchen also comes with a double sink, with a tilting faucet and an extra sieve to make sure that your debris does not get into the sewer. Also, you have extra drawers here for your storage. In this kitchen, you also have an area here for your cooking stove, and next to it, you have extra cabinets for your crockery. This is beautiful. Behind me, you have the storage area. In this storage area, we have the area for the fridge, and we have the pantry. Let's get in. In here, you have the pantry area, and you have this section that is left for your fridge. Let's get back inside. From the storage area, you have this door that leads to the laundry area. This is the laundry area, and next to it here, you have an area to dry your clothes. Let's get back inside. From the laundry area, through the dining room, to the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom is quite big, and you are getting your light from this window and this window. You also have extra storage here and here. The closet of this guest bedroom is here. Very beautiful. And you have extra drawers. Let's continue with the tour. From the guest bedroom to the common toilet. This is a big toilet, and in here you have your water closet, you have your tissue holder, you have your shower, a soap holder, and a towel holder. Let's head upstairs. But before we do that, you have this section here that can be used for your extra storage. This maisonette have 3 levels. In the lower level, we have the living area, we have the dining area, the kitchen, and the guest bedroom. In this level, we have the 3 other bedrooms. Add the family room. On the upper level, we have the rooftop area. On my left hand side, you have the family room. On the far end, you have the master bedroom. And here, you have the other 2 bedrooms. Let's start with the family room. This is the family room of this maisonette, and it's big enough for your family activities. This family room also comes with this window and this window to give you maximum light during the day. And during the night, you are getting your light from this center light and extra recessed lights on the gypsum board. Beautiful. Let's have a look at the 2 kids' bedrooms. This is the first kid's bedroom. And it comes with a ceiling to floor closets. In this closet, you have an extra drawers for your extra storage. The bathroom of this bedroom is here. Let's have a look. But before you get into the bathroom, you have your wash basin here. That comes with extra storage for your toiletries. This is the bathroom of this bedroom. And in here, you have a normal water closet, a soap holder, a shower, and a towel holder. Let's get to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom of this maisonette, and it's slightly bigger than the first bedroom. This bedroom also comes with extra storage on this side. It also comes with 2 windows, this one and this one. The closet to this bedroom is here. And it's enough. Next to the closet, you have the bathroom. In this bathroom, you have a hard wash basin that comes with an extra storage, a water closet, a hard held, a towel holder, a soap holder, and a small mirror. From the second bedroom, you have the master bedroom at the far end. But before you get into the master bedroom, you have a balcony in this level. Let's start with the balcony. This is the balcony of this level, and the views are breathtaking. You have the greenery of Kikuyu here. Let's get back. From the balcony, we have the master bedroom. Wow, this is a big master bedroom. This master bedroom gets its light during the day from these 2 windows, this one and this one. And during the night, you have a center light here. The closet of this master bedroom is here. And it comes with several drawers for your storage, an area for your shoes, and you have an area for your suits. You also have a sliding part of the closet. Here you have an extra storage for your other clothes. On my right hand side, you have the master bathroom. This is the biggest of the bathrooms. And in here, you have a water closet, a hard wash basin that comes with extra storage, an extra storage up here, a mirror, a soap holder, a handheld, an area for your shower, and a towel holder. Let's get to the upper level. From the second level, this is the third level. In this level, we have the rest area, an extra bathroom, and the storage tanks. Let's have a look. This is the rooftop area, and it comes with an extra bathroom. This is the bathroom, and you have an extra hard wash basin. This maisonette comes with a 3,000 liter water tank that I believe is enough for your water supply. The rest of the rooftop is a rest area that comes with a tap and a socket on the other side in case you have your birthdays or your barbecue. The views from this rooftop are great, and from here I can see all my neighbors. I can also see St. Augustine Catholic Church. That's all about this maisonette. If you would like to purchase it, please feel free to call us anytime. I will leave everything else in the description below. And if you have not followed us on Instagram and Facebook, please make sure you do. Also, remember to subscribe to this channel. This is Mungai Kihara, and you are watching African Real Estate.